you survive this 5 minutes?
First exercise.
Guess it's been a while since I fell in love, but after last time, don't wanna mess things up. You're so beautiful, and I can't deny. My heart is always with you, my head's always stuck in time. Love, let me go, 'cause I've been holding on for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape. Can you let them all wash
10
away?
seconds left.
Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, 'cause I don't wanna feel the
Next exercise.
Holding on and keep it strong. So now I'm moving on. I don't wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go. Guess I didn't know it would end this way. One drink too much and I could see your face.
10 seconds left.
How could I let you go? How could I let you leave? Will I ever see you? And do you think of me? Love, let
Rest.
me go, 'cause I've been holding up for far too long. I've been fighting and keeping strong. Now you just gotta let me go. Time, wash away every feeling that can cause me pain. All these memories I can't escape. Can you let them all wash away? Let it all wash away, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain. Love, just let me go, 'cause I don't wanna feel the pain of holding on and keeping strong. So now I'm moving on. I don't wanna feel the same, so love, just let me go.
Halfway there. Ten seconds left. Next exercise.
I don't wanna say anything, 'cause if I do I might say the wrong words. Oh no. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Can we find what we're missing and compromise? So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can we find a single reason not to say goodbye?
10 seconds left.
Oh, if I said what's on my mind, would you stay with me tonight? If I said what's on my mind, would
Rest.
you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. If I said what's on my mind, would that make you run and hide?
Last exercise.
Would that make you run and hide? Run and hide. Run and hide. Oh, would that make you run and hide? Don't know what to do anymore. I'm out of options, nothing's working. I'm out of service. Come help me now, I'm fucking nervous. I'm trying but can't scratch the surface. So I'll keep my mouth shut and not listen. Afraid I'd lose you if I didn't. Can we find what we're missing?
10 seconds left.
So I'll keep my shoes on and not leaving. We're on thin ice, winter season. Can we find a single reason?
Workout complete. You have earned my respect. For now.